Welcome to my channel. How to fix HP Officejet Pro 8610 missing or failed printhead. 1. Turn off the printer. Press the power button to turn off the printer, then unplug it from the power source. 2. Open the printer cover. Lift the top cover or access door to reveal the printhead and cartridges. 3. Remove the ink cartridges. Gently push down on each cartridge to release it, then pull it out carefully. Place the cartridges on a clean, lint-free surface. 4. Locate the printhead. Identify the printhead, which is the component holding the cartridges in place. 5. Remove the printhead. Lift the latch securing the printhead, if available, and carefully pull it out of the printer. 6. Clean the printhead. Use a lint-free cloth lightly dampened with distilled water to clean the electrical contacts on the printhead and the corresponding contacts inside the printer. 7. Reinstall the printhead. Place the printhead back into its slot and secure it with the latch. Ensure it is firmly seated. 8. Reinsert the ink cartridges. Slide the cartridges back into their respective slots until they click into place. Ensure each cartridge is correctly installed. 9. Restart the printer. Close the printer cover, plug it back into the power source, and turn it on. Wait for the printer to initialize. 10. Run a printhead alignment or cleaning. Access the printer's settings menu, navigate to Maintenance or Tools, and select Align Printhead or Clean Printhead to optimize performance. Thank you for watching.